Hey guys, the next few videos that you're going to watch require no equipment in order to create your t-shirt line, and mostly they are from online resources. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below and I'll be glad to assist you. Happy watching!
Start your own t-shirt company with no equipment.
Them niggas not with us. What? Forbidden fruit on apple juice, can I sip on the cup? Mix it with some 1942 and I'm eating. Girl, you chosen. Get up when you bust wide open. It's a ocean.
If you have a t-shirt business, quit using Jiffy shirts. You're leaving money on the table. Let me show you. So I picked gold on all sites to make this easy. So if you can see here on Jiffy shirts, it is $4.33. Clothing shop online, which also does not require a seller's permit. If that's why you're using Jiffy, use this one instead. Freaking $4.04. SS Activewear is my favorite if you do have a seller's permit. Theirs is $3.29, but I mean, you can use Sandmart as well. Same color, same pricing. I know I'm not the first to make a video about this, and I'm not going to be the last, but seriously, quit it. Jiffy is not helping you out at all. Just saying.
Here is how you can start a t-shirt business with zero supplies. So all you have to do is create the artwork that you would like on the t-shirt, the crew neck. You can also really do totes, mugs, anything that you find on what is going to be a print-on-demand website. So a print-on-demand website is great because they do all of the work for you. You just create the artwork and add the t-shirts or the mock-ups to your Etsy shop or your website, and then when you get orders, they will create them and ship them out for you. There is a higher profit margin for creating them yourself, but this is a great way to get started without having any supplies. Two of the print-on-demand websites that are the most popular would be Printify.com and Minted.com. Go to those websites, check them out, and you will be able to find all sorts of things that you can create. This isn't what I personally do, but it is a literally free way to start a business.
This Etsy hack can make you thousands. For example, bridesmaids proposal gifts or t-shirt that have bridesmaid, maid of honor, matron of honor, flower girl, mother of the bride. There's a lot of keywords, but what makes this product so amazingly profitable is that they don't just buy one shirt. They have to buy more than one, because obviously the bride, then the maid of honor, then the bridesmaids, then the matron of honor, and all those keywords. So they're buying more than just one. So if you check out the reviews, you'll see that the customers buy a lot more. These products are insanely profitable. So if you're a print on demand, or if you have your own t-shirt business, you have to sell bridesmaid shirts, bridesmaid t-shirt. If you are anything to do with bridesmaid, if you're or selling anything wedding related, you're going to make a lot of profit.